Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of the series Mimma, where Mum and I make traditional Italian foods. We've expanded from just sweets. Today we're going to be making the frittata spaghetti, which is a very typical Italian picnic food, which is pretty cool. And Mum is going to be showing us how. So Mum, do you have anything to say about this frittata? Let's just get into it.
You'll need 6 eggs, 250 grams of spaghetti, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley, and enough parmesan cheese to make your heart sing, or crap yourself if you're lactose intolerant like me. First, crack the eggs into the bowl, add in the rest of the ingredients to taste, then whisk vigorously until well combined and set aside. Cook your pasta in boiling water until al dente, then drain and make sure your glasses fog up to be as close to the video as possible. Then return your pasta to the pot, but not to the hob. Add in a good glug of olive oil and another smattering of parmesan and mix until combined. Heat up a pan of olive oil on medium-high, add in your cooked pasta and pour over the egg mixture that you prepared earlier. Add more parmesan cheese, and if someone tells you that's too much, just remove them from your life because you don't need that kind of negativity. Cook for 5 minutes, then flip using a plate like my mum shows here, and then cook for a further 5-ish minutes. Remove onto a serving plate, then slice, admire the most gorgeous cross-section of your life, and devour.
So that's my awesome mum's recipe for the frittata di spaghetti. Clocks it at about 40,000 calories a piece, would you say? Yeah, close enough. Close enough. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you again for the next one. Thanks,
Buon appetito!
Buon appetito!